Good morning, or good evening if you're somewhere else in the world, but our Scotland, excuse me, our Scotland is in Linwood, land of the Arnold Clarks. The reason I'm here is I've just put my car in for a service, and I thought I would take a wee look around here while I'm here. So we've got a big Asda over there, but I'm going to walk round this way first and have a look and see what's here. Right, you've got Nando's over there, somewhere I try and avoid. I just don't like the food in there that much, to be honest. You know, I think it's very overpriced and you don't get very big portions, and I like big portions, hence my size. This is built on the site of the old Chrysler car factories. Linwood was very, I mean, it's not actually Linwood here, but they call it Linwood. It was a major car manufacturer here back in the day. It closed down, lots of people lost their jobs, and another industry was lost. So you see there's lots of cars here. My car's in for a service in there. Used to be Ford, it's called BYD now. So if you're looking for Ford, it's BYD you're looking for now. Alright. Winter. Huh?
A nice day today.
Got this morning, frosty and windy for the first time since the winter.
I could be alright now.
Well, let's hope so. So, Smythe or Smiths, Smythes or Smiths, I don't know how you would say that. I thought Smythe had an E in the end, but it could be Smythes. That's the toy shop, as far as I know. That's I'll be getting busy soon because Christmas is only about 3 months away, so there'll be a lot of people coming there for toys. In fact, I'm going to see my grandchildren in a couple of days, and I might nip in there and have a wee look. Right, Home Bargains is the next one. So, got Home Bargains here. Nobody's open yet. Smythe's might be open, but Home Bargains isn't open yet. They usually open about 9 o'clock, and it's only about 8:30 at the moment. Top brands, bottom prices, and it is quite good in there, to be honest. I do like going there. You get some good stuff. It's just that it's a bit out of the way for me coming down here. And now I don't know what this one is. Is that part of, that must be part of Home Bargains, that. Oh, it is, aye. Because Jane just couldn't believe the bargains. Wow. Oh, Home Bargains is open. They're just different doors. Home Bargains is open, so they must open at 8:30. There you go, Home Bargains is very well open. Oh, and there's the police. I don't know why they have this phony policeman in the windies. Is it to remind people? Oh, it's about facial recognition in operation. There you go. To protect our employees and customers and stock. So that guy there is going to stop you for shoplifting just by looking at you. And they open at 8 o'clock, 8 till 8, except for a Sunday when it's 9 till 6. Alright. Now, this is Pavers. They've got a sale on at the moment. Pavers. Now, I'm sure that I bought some Skechers shoes in Pavers. That is a shoe shop, that's right. I bought that. I bought some Skechers in the one in Dundee, which wasn't as big as this one. This is quite a big one. So, the shoes are no bad in there. They do good, some good shoes. Now, B&M There's another shop that I do like. You get some good stuff in there, cheap, but good brands as well, you know. Could do with a bit of tender care on that canopy. Not exposed. But, they open at 8, except for Sunday when it's 9 till 7. They open an hour late, but they're 8 till 10. 8 till 10 in there. It's a big old car park, this. B&M have even got a garden centre here. There we go. Looks well protected, that. The barbed wire and the big high fence. Well, it's quite a decent size garden centre, looks like. Got all your bits of wood, your sheds, your plants, everything. There's Matalan here as well. Another place I like to go to sometimes. Matalan. There it is. Matalan do a lot of good stuff in there. It's just about everything they sell, apart from petrol. As you can see, they do a lot of clothes, shoes, haberdashery, lingerie. They do it all in there. Get some good bargains in there as well. You need to get your Matalan card. They don't always ask for it, but handy to have it. We're going about getting to work. Sun is coming out. You can see it there. Oh, it's bright. There's TK Maxx, they're just about everywhere. It's not a bad wee train estate, or what do you call it, a retail park. It's not bad at all. We're very close to Glasgow Airport. You'll hear the planes, and if I can get them I'll show you them. TK Maxx, that looks like it's no open. So TK Maxx isn't open yet. It's not open yet. But they do all things in there, as you know. People will know. They open at 9 till 8, and then 10 till 6 on a Sunday. But if you go online, they're open 24/7. And there's a surprise. Online 24/7, who'd have ever thought? I've got gloves on today and a big snood because it's absolutely Baltic. There's your obligatory Poundland up there. Just about everywhere there, just about everywhere. Baltic this morning, innit? She's oh. And Hobbycraft. So your models in there. They're not open yet either. So, but if you want any, if you're into model aircrafts and model ships or anything like that, or just sewing and weaving and bobbing and weaving as well, you can go into Hobbycraft. And Hobbycraft will probably have what you need. Then the next one is Carpet Right and Sleep Right. So they do carpets and beds They also do laminate, vinyl, wood, rugs, linoleum. I don't know if they did linoleum or Roman and only ones. Don't know if they'll do a linoleum. But that's not open yet either, so but nice to know it's here, eh? And a wee charity shop, cancer research. Let's have a look. Cancer research shop, volunteer and donate. Shop, volunteer and donate. For a good cause. Everything £5 or less. Oh, there you go, that's not bad at all, is it? Got wee rugs in there. For £5. That might be worth coming here. Oh, wee rugs for the kitchen, £5. Everything £5 or less. It's amazing. Oh no, they're £9.99 and they're £16.99. Ah, so it's no £5 or less. What are you talking about? Well, it is for charity, I suppose. So I can't really grumble that they're making a few extra bob. And then over here is Greg's, on its own. Greg's is just there on its own. Are you lonesome tonight? Grab a slice. Busy day? You've earned one. Roll on breakfast. Now that sounds good to me. I've not had my breakfast yet, but I will be going home for my breakfast, really. I need to take my tablets, and I forgot to bring them. Greg's is not open yet. They're still doing the cleaning. A nice outside area for the sun. Nobody be sitting out there the day, I don't think, unless the sun miraculously warms the whole planet up, or this part of the planet. Because it's freezing. Just had to scrape a dug off a lamppost. A wee young gull. And then there's Argos. I shop at Argos all the time with my Argos card, which I have to pay off very soon. That's not open yet either. Time do they open? Oh, here we go, 9 o'clock. 9 till 8. Then 9 till 8:30 to 6:30 on a Saturday. And then Sunday 9 till 6 again. Pets at home, pet shop and vets. What time do they open? They're Monday to Friday 9 till 8, Saturday 9 till 7, and Sunday 10 till 6. So yeah, you see a lot in there. But that's it there, eh? Pets and vets. And a wee kiosk here selling your breakfast, your lunches, cheeseburgers. Get a roll in there as well. Scottish breakfast rolls, one of the best things you can ever eat. There we go, it's a challenge for me, just getting over this. The other side here. Oh, there we go. Oh, that wasn't too bad. And then we come to Asda. And this is quite a big Asda, this. That's one of the major supermarkets in this area. But this is the reason that people stop going to the high streets, because you go to the town centres and the city centres, you have to pay for your parking, or if you can find parking, and they charge an arm and a leg for it. But you come to places like this and you can park for free for as long as you like, really, well, until you've done all your shopping. And there they've got the clothing brand George, Costa Coffee. They've got street food, Japanese, Thai and Korean. There's even a Asda opticians in there. There it is. Asda are happy to help. So it's welcome to your local Asda. Asda price. Very quiet because nobody's here at the moment. There's very few people shopping at this time of the morning. It's only daft people that got up here at this time of the morning. There's Timpson's, the photo expert. So keys and photos. What's that there? Now browse, that's shut down. Now Bronx? Now Bronx, is it? Now nails. Now browse, that's what it is. So it's a wee nail bar and a... Well, it might not be shut. Just need their windows cleaned. And there's a wee barber's. And get your hair cut if you're a senior citizen. You get your hair cut for £8, guys and beards. So, and you've got a big petrol station up there as well, Asda. So basically that's Linwood shopping mall, no mall, what do you call these again? Commercial estate, whatever. I'm thinking of it. I said it before, didn't I? Retail park. Oh, look at that. That must be going Sea Line. Couldn't remember that one. And a wee crow getting his breakfast, or her breakfast. What's it actually eating? Oh, it looks like somebody's thrown a wee thingy away from McDonald's. So, no doubt the rats will have been at that as well. So, anyway, it's just a wee short video while I was here. I think buses from Paisley and Johnston and other places come here in the area. So you can get a bus here and get a bus back, which I'm looking for now. It's because I've got no car at the moment. So if you like the wee videos that I do, please like, subscribe and share. Hit the notification bell and you'll be notified of any more videos that I upload. And gives a bit of feedback. It's nice to have a bit of feedback. I will answer them as well, as long as I know, as long as there's no 100,000. If there is 100,000, then I will try, as long as you'll subscribe. So we've been walking around Linwood Retail Park with Our Scotland. So there's a wee path to freedom. See you later. Cheers.